Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason, and today we're going to take a tour around Global Auto in Osaka. Here we are at the famous Global Auto in Osaka. This is a famous dealership that sells modified GTRs. I've known about this place for over a decade, and it's a great feeling to actually be here in person to see it. It's definitely one of the most epic experiences I've had looking at cars in Japan. The owner of Global Auto is of course a GTR enthusiast, so he collects these cars, but he also sells them. This dealership was really popular to locals, but nowadays they've been popular for sales to international buyers, like me. Wow, the teenager in me would have loved this car. Look at these brakes. Comment below which car you'd want to take home. None of these cars look bad at all. All of them are so modified and so done up, it's crazy. They also have a handful of non-Skylines that are for sale. These are usually the cars that were traded in. The specification lists for each of these cars can be found online. If you're interested in purchasing a car from Global Auto, you can check out what they have in stock on their website. If you don't speak Japanese, it's okay. They actually have an English-speaking representative. His name is Brandon, and he let us tour around the dealership. You can do the same if you're in the area, just make sure you ask for permission first. Let's walk around and take a deeper look into the cars. So Brandon told me about 3 of these GTRs actually have HKS 2.8 stroker kits, and this is one of them. So it's a HKS stroker kit, 2.8 liter with an HKS turbo. I'm guessing this thing makes, up over 600 horsepower. Not really sure, but you can find the specs online. Oh, check this out. This NSX looks ridiculously small compared to all the GTRs it's around. Shout out to all the NSX owners out there. It was snowing a bit earlier, and I just want to say it's so insane how clean these cars still look, even though they're outside. These brakes are heavy duty. Makes sense because Brandon told me this R33 is actually 800 horsepower and has a sequential transmission. I never preferred black on black on a GTR, but after seeing this, I don't really mind it. There's so many different colors here. Which GTR would you take home? Let's go talk to Brandon and see what he has to say about this blue R34. How much power is this thing making?
It's either 600 or 800. The 2.8 litre, no crash history on the body, 75,000 kilometres on the body. Engine's only got about, I think it was 5,000 kilometres, so it's a reasonably new engine.
What are you guys listing it for?
So this is the 21,800.
I might have to buy it.
Please do.
Another GTR with a 2.8 liter stroker kit from HKS, and this one's a little crazier because it has the VCAM setup. For those of you who don't know what VCAM is, to make it really simple, it's sort of like VTEC for Nissans. Does anyone want to take a guess on how much power this one's making? Comment below what you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, let me know what else you'd like to see because I have a lot more videos to make and I truly enjoy sharing them with y'all. See you guys next time.